Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Examination result appeared. That is regular students 17,180. This percentage, overall percentage of all the 4 streams comes to 89.27%. In terms of number and in terms of percentage, the girls, they are topping. Okay. Then stream wise result, art, and the result is 85.30%. Commerce stream result is highest among all the 4 streams. Arts is lowest. Science 88.96%, and the vocational passing percentage is 88.91.
So one more question. Now you have announced the result. Now what about the students, when they will get the mark sheets, and how it will be? It will be online?
No, the mark sheet will be sent to the schools. Mark sheet will be sent to the schools. Okay, I think by 7th July or even before that we are trying, because we are also facing certain difficulties as far to procure the stationery and all other things from the other states. The mark sheet are not printed here, so they are printed far off from Goa.
And to add to this, the university, they have issued a circular that by 15th of July their admission will begin.
कुजिराचे केबी हेडगेवार अनुई 100%, मुष्टिफण आयन, धेंपो सायन्स, लोकविश्वास, ओल्ड गोवाची सेंट झेवियर अकादमी धरून 5 हायर सेकंडरीचो निकाल 100%.
Schools with 100% results: St. Xavier's Academy, Old Goa, Mustifund Aryan Higher Secondary School, then Tempo Higher Secondary School of Science, Lokvishwas Pratishthan Higher Secondary School, and Dr. K.B. Hedgewar Higher Secondary School, Cujira.